Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto E15 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connected with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, tap on your games and go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, choose your photo and tap on settings. And need family and parental controls. As you can see, now you have page 3 to visible all game. We need more than page 3 to change it. Tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe allow uncluded, underrated, configure, got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search something again, and it is visible right now and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!